Hello, hello. Welcome to my channel. This is Corinthia Williams, better known as the Queen of Transformation. I'm coming live with you with an exciting word, a word that is going to motivate you and encourage you. What I do, I encourage people, I help you leap into your God-given destiny. And I want to tell you today that nothing can stop you. Nothing can stop you. Your finances can't stop you. Your spouse can't stop you. Your boss can't stop you. Nothing can stop you for what God has predestined you for. So now is the time to buckle up. Now is the time to put your big girl panties on, your big boy panties on, whatever you got to do. It's time. It's time. It's time. It's time to go for it. It's time to leap. It's time to jump. Over in Beauty for Ashes, we talk about rising up and unleashing the queen with you. So, brothers, this is for you too. Rise up and unleash that king and that queen inside of you and know that nothing can stop you. If you put your mind to it, if you put God in the midst of it, nothing can stop you for what he has for you. I wanted to come on and just share that with somebody because I feel down in my spirit that somebody feels stuck right now. Somebody's going through something right now. Somebody feel like they can't get out of something right now, right at this second. Share this out so other people can hear this. Right this second, you feel like you can't get past whatever obstacle is in your way. But I'm here to tell you, as the Queen of Transformation, that you can do it. Nothing can stop you. Nothing can stop the momentum that you have. Nothing can stop you from gaining that position that you need. Nothing can stop you in your course. You run your race and nothing can stop you. Whatever obstacle may be in your way, nothing can stop you. I want you to get that down in your spirit, get that down in your mindset, get that down in your soul and believe it. Stand on it. You guys that are familiar with me, you know I say affirmations every day. And I want you to add to your affirmation that nothing can stop me. I'm more than a conqueror. I can do all things but fail through Christ who strengthens me. I am wonderfully made through Christ. I am God's workmanship. Nothing can stop me. Nothing can stop what God already planned for me. Nothing can stop me from going all the way up. Nothing can stop me from unleashing the gifts and the talents that lie dormant inside of me. Nothing can stop me. So push. I need you to push past whatever obstacle in your way. Use your obstacles. Come on now. Use your obstacle to get you where you need to go. Okay, Queen of Transformation, what you saying? Look at me. Look at me. I use my obstacle. I use my story of being molested as a child. And now it's my platform. Now I can tell other people, hey, you don't have to go through something. Let me tell you how you can get through molestation, sexual abuse, physical abuse, whatever you may be going through, whatever tried to silence you, you can get past it. Let me tell you how. And I wrote my story in the book, Turbulent. You too can go. You too can use your obstacles and go for what you know. Nothing can stop you. You got a dream, go for it. You got an assignment, make it happen. You got whatever it is, you can do it. Nothing can stop you. No person, no devil in hell, no feelings that you have on the inside of you. You got to get beyond your feelings and push towards the mark. Leap into your God-given talents and destiny. Leap into whatever you plan to do. Write the vision. Habakkuk 2:2. Write the vision and make it plain so those that read it can run with it. Run with your dream. Run with your destiny. Run with the plans that you have for your life. Nothing can stop you. Anytime you fall, remember you fall forward. Fall forward into what God has for you. Fall forward into your destiny. Fall forward into your dreams. And no, nothing can stop you. So what I wanted to tell you, you're going all the way up. Let's go. Let's go together. Let's go all the way up together. And I want to share this. This is some of the stuff. This is a snippet of what you guys going to get in Durham, North Carolina, June 23rd at the Conversation with Women Masterclass. Yes, it's a masterclass because we want to show you that you can change your opposition to opportunity. You can turn whatever you may be going through into an opportunity for success. So what you want to do, you want to go and invest in you. Go to the website, invest in you, and let's make a difference together. Be blessed, y'all. I will see you guys in the next video.